I get killed all over YouTube because people say I'm so mean. I mean, are we supposed to coddle everybody? Are we supposed to coddle you for just 10 drinks when you're on a freaking probation? Shameful. You ought to be ashamed. That tells me that you either have a problem or you just don't give a shite about us. That's what that tells me. And yet you still want a dismissal of this case. It doesn't work like that.
I don't know if it makes a difference, but I've had her on bond for quite some time, and she's been on the program. She did her classes. If you give her a chance to come back, and if she doesn't do it, then I won't even have anything to stand on or come before you to say anything. And I don't think she will either. And being before you, I think she understands, right?
Yes.
Right? That if she does not take advantage of this opportunity, then that will be the end of that program for her.
Yeah, we're going to have Pavel. So, I'll tell you the only way is 3 days as a condition, and she'll have to turn, do you have a license? Can you run her license, please? She'll have to do the 3 days, and then as soon as she gets out, immediately she'll get a scram.
Okay.
She'll have to pay for it because I can't pay for it.
Well, since it's a contract with the state, I guess you could drive on this gram.
I want to make sure first she has a license. Do you have insurance?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Hey, Pavel. Yes. I need you to please amend the contract, and I don't know how, but so this is Miss Ramirez. She's had quite a number of blows, positive.
Okay.
We're amending to do 3 days as a condition, and then she's on the PTI.
Well, and then the other issue is that if you want to put her on a scram, then we need to amend the contract to reflect scram, but allowing her to drive. Because normally the way that it works on your template contract is if she gets a scram, then automatically there's a non-driving affidavit.
Right, no. We'll keep everything as is, but I want to make sure that she's not, at all times, she's not consuming. Whereas here, all she has to do is blow, right? So we'll do the extension, but that's the conditions, right? So 3 days is a condition to begin, I guess, within the next couple days.
So
And
how
then
do you,
upon release, she has to get the scram, and then she has to do IOP and SOP.
how do we do that? The sheriff won't take her in. So if she shows up, if it's a civil contract, we can do in the contract 3 days as a condition, but if she shows at the jail and says the sheriffs won't take her in because there's nothing in the.
Melissa?
Can she do it, Judge, she's a full-time student, can she do it over the weekend, go in next Friday and come out on Sunday so she doesn't miss school?
What days are your school? See, we continue to cater to people. That's all we do here. We cater. It's like,
The only way she can do the 3 days is if you revoke the block. So whenever she wants to go in, she has to come in, and then we have to revoke it, and then you have to bond reinstate it whenever you want her to get out.
I just want to make sure that from a practical perspective, we can get it done so she